Hi, today I'll show you how to connect OpenAI to Base44. The first step is to get your OpenAI API key. To do this, go to platform.openai.com/API keys, sign up or log in to your OpenAI developer account, and click Create New Secret Key. Copy this key. We'll use it in Base44. Step 2 is inside Base44. Log in with your credentials, and once you are on the dashboard, click on the Integrations option. In the Integrations list, search for OpenAI. Select the option like OpenAI, text-to-image, or whichever service you want. Click Use this integration, and you'll now see OpenAI listed under your connected integrations. When prompted, paste the API key you copied earlier from OpenAI. Once that's done, configure your integration by defining prompts or commands. Your Base44 app will send to OpenAI. Test it by running a sample query to make sure it responds correctly. From here, your app can use OpenAI for tasks like natural language processing, content generation, or building chatbots. That's it. Your Base44 app is now powered by OpenAI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more guides.